When it comes to doing nails, every time when there's a lift on the nails, it's almost like the blame game. It's either the nail tech's fault or the client's fault. Me, I think it could be both of your fault. Let me tell you why. Yes, it could be the nail tech's fault. If the nail tech do bad application, doesn't flush the cuticle right, use bad product, the nail's gonna lift. Now, that's only 50% of why the nail's gonna lift. The other 50%, it has to do with the clients too. Because once you leave the door, even if we use good product on you, you still have to know how to take care of your nails. Some of y'all do not know how to take care of your nails. And let me give you some example. Because when it comes to wearing nails, it's like it's part of your body. And if you happen to have some kind of like anxiety, then you start biting on your nail and then you start picking at your nails, because that's what y'all do. And you got the client who's really rough with their hands, where they gonna dig holes, dirt, and that's gonna make your nail lift too. And you got the freak-a-leash out there who like to, poke little asses. That can lift your nails too. So you see what I'm trying to say? It's not always the nail tech's fault, and it's not always the client. It's both of y'all fault.